Hello student, today I am going to derive mutual inductance of two long coaxial solenoids. What is mutual induction? It is the phenomenon of production of induced EMF in one coil due to a change of current in the neighboring coil. It is defined as the magnetic flux linked with the secondary coil due to the flow of unit current in the primary coil. Mathematically, we can write as M12 equal to N1 phi 12 by I. Therefore, N12 phi Therefore, N1 phi 12 equal to M12 I. Now you see the diagram. Consider two long solenoids S1 and S2 with S2 wound over S1. Let L length of each solenoid, R1, R2, radii of the two solenoids, A1 equal to pi R1 square, the area of cross section of inner solenoid S1, A2 equal to pi R2 square, area of cross section of outer solenoid S2. Let I2 be the time varying current through the solenoid S2. Then magnetic field set of inside S2 is given by B2 equal to mu naught N2 I2 mu naught N2 I2 by L, since insulator N2 is the total number of turns per unit length N2 by L. Therefore, total magnetic flux linked with the inner solenoid S1 is given by N1 phi 12 equal to N1 A1 B2. Magnetic flux is measured as the product of magnetic field and area of the surface. Now we are putting the value of B2 from above equation, B2 equal to mu naught N2 I2 or mu naught N2 I2 by L. N1 A1 value is pi R1 square. You can have pi R1 square, and B2 is mu naught N2 I2 by L. Therefore, N1 phi 12 equal to mu naught N1 N2 I2 by L pi R1 square. This is equation number 1. According to definition of mutual inductance, we have N phi 12 equal to M12 I2. This is equation number 2, where M12 is the mutual inductance of solenoid S1 with respect to S2. From equation 1 and 2, we have M12 I2 equal to mu naught N1 N2 I2 pi R1 square by L. Both side I2 cancel. M12 equal to mu naught N1 N2, we can write A1 instead of pi R1 square by L, since A1 equal to pi R1 square. Similarly, mutual inductance of coil S2 with respect to coil S1 is given by M21 equal to mu naught N1 N2 A2 by L, where M21 is the mutual inductance of solenoid S2 with respect to the solenoid S1. For same area of cross section of solenoid A1 equal to A2 equal to A, say M12 equal to M21 equal to M, that also say, then M equal to mu naught N1 N2 A by L. This is the required expression for mutual inductance of two long coaxial solenoids. Thank you.